Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Glorified Queen and I'm back at it again, period. So guys, today I'm going to be changing my hair color to wine color, and guess what, I got the product right here. It's cream of nature, and yes, period. So I'm going to be losing my hair, then boom, I just finished losing my hair, just comb it. And before you can do the hair, before you can dye it, you have to cut it into 4 places. Then I'm cutting it right now, so I just feel like starting from the back, then I move to the front. So yes, that's the first and second layer, then the third, and then we move to the fourth, period. I'm so used to this period, so just okay. So yeah, there is red hot Burgundy, so you have to unbox it. Yeah, so it comes with 2 products actually. That's the bleach, so you have to pour the bleach inside the container. You have to empty it. Yeah, so then make sure you wear your glove, it's very necessary. That's chemical. Then second step, that's the ammonia. Then you have to mix it very well until it changes color. So keep on mixing, mix. So after mixing it, then you move to the bleaching process. You have to apply it to your hair. You can apply it with comb, your hand, whatever, but I feel like applying with my hand because I don't want the chemical to touch my skin. So brush it out. Yeah, so you have to apply it to every part of your hair because you don't want to miss any place. So keep on applying it. Then put in the shower cap 30 minutes. So I have to wash it. So this is after washing my hair. Oh my god, I'm so in love. Oh yeah, that's what I want, period. And that's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. That's my wine red hot Burgundy, period. So thank you, cream of nature. I'm in love with this hair, pretty girl.